Looking at a home right now, or an apartment building, and what I wanted to show you here during this particular inspection is see all this loose paper. And this is an older home. This is I don't really know just how old, but it's like 1940 something. So you know that you got lead paint all through here. And what's going on is these home flippers, they'll come in here and they'll just patch this stuff up. They'll let this lead dust and just go through here. We have asbestos issues too in some of the other units, but in this particular here, look at that. So see, and what's happening is this lead dust is going through my furnace right in through here, my ductwork, and it's all going through the whole home. Make sure that you are following your EPA rules, the RP EPA rules. It's up to a $37,000 a day fine for contractors. And these flippers are notorious for this. They do not take care of it. They're poisoning children. They're poisoning pregnant women. They're poisoning babies. They're poisoning animals. This is a catastrophe, folks. But anyway, if you ever need any inspections, you need anybody to make sure that you're getting this done right, please give us a call. Galloway Building Services. We're here to protect you.